Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial I'll be showing you how you can download songs from Audiomack. You know Audiomack, when you download your song on Audiomack, it won't stay on your phone local storage. It will be on the Audiomack app, at which sometimes when you begin to play a song, it can be ads, advertisement song can begin to pop up, and you may not even like to enjoy it. And sometimes you even delete your Audiomack, you can't get to have your song again. You have to download it again. But it is of a benefit, of a great advantage, when you can be able to save those songs from Audiomack to your local phone storage. You can even move them to your SD card, that which you can even remove from your phone and still play. So I want you to know that there are some songs that you can't find on Chrome, but you can only find them on music apps like Audiomack, Boomplay, Spotify, and the like. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to do so, and to save on your phone storage. So follow me, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks. I'm going to head on to my Audiomack app. I don't know the markup. Okay, here we go. So let me show you some of my songs, and I'll show you the ones I've downloaded on the Audiomack, and I was also able to save them. So let's see. So you can see all the songs. Okay, let's come here and see. You can see. This is kind of what I'm saying, that the ads on Audiomack to restrict you from enjoying yourself. So you can see Yeshua rendition, you can see Spirits called Spirit Charge. So these songs I downloaded them from Audiomack. So I'll be taking you on how to do that, so follow me. So I'll be checking from this song from which minister should I share? Okay, let's go for Chief Sunday. Yes, it's my best minister, Chief Sunday. Okay, so I'll be looking for one of the songs. Okay, let's check one of the top tracks. I'm having this song, so I'm looking for the one I'm not having. I think I don't have a week, so let me go for a week. I'm going to Are you sure what I'm saying? That the ads on Audiomack is too much, The ads here is too much. So sometimes you can just be playing your song and another song will just come out, or those kind of things. They are not good. What is this? Okay, so I'm going to show you how to download this song. So we are going to be downloading the song. Click on download save. I will have to wash out. Let's just wash the out and download. Okay, click on wash out and download. I want you to follow me.
Borrow 100,000 naira on Mocash.
Okay, our song download has begun. Okay, the song is downloaded. I can go on and off my data. Pause this song. So I want you to check something. You should come and check that. So we have this song. So what you do next is that you head on to Z Archiver. The link to download this app, it should be in my YouTube, my Telegram community. So you come over to say the cover, so you can see something that I put here. You can see this converted from Audiomack. So you go onto your Android, you click on Android, you go onto data, and you look for Audiomack. Okay, you see com.audiomack, something like this, com.audiomack. So you head on and click on it. This is a step-by-step process. You come on and click on files. Come on and click on Audiomack. I want you to follow me. Yes, Audiomack. So we have a lot of songs here. So for you to get particular song we are looking for, so let's come over here. Okay, For me to do that, get the particular song. Let's try the first one over here. Yes, everything is good. You can see they're all with dates. So let's look for the one of 12/31. This is artwork. 12/31. That one was downloaded. Okay, yes, we got it here. So I want you to, I don't know if you can see it well. The last one down here, I'm going to see the date is 12/31/2024. That means the song was downloaded today. So you come over here and you copy the song. Yes, copy the song. Yes, I've copied the song. Then you head over to where you have converted from Audiomack. You head on there and you are going to click on this stuff here. It means paste. This stuff here, it means paste. So you'll be pasting the song. Yeah, you have the song pasted here. So you long press on the file and you click on renew. So you are going to put .mp3. Yes, mp3. So I want you to know that audio format, one of the audio formats is mp3. You are going to leave it at .mp3. That's okay. So let's listen to the song. So we'll listen to the song now. Can you see? Can you see that I now have the song on my local storage? Not okay. Let's go back to Audiomack for you to see this thing. Yes, it won't work this way on Boomplay. I've tried it, it won't work, but it's able to work on Audiomack. So let's check our local. Okay, let's name it for you to be able to show up there. So this is the number. If you search for 5, so let me name it here. So you can name it a week. Same way you don't press, you click on renew. Yes, you name it awake. Okay. So the name tends to change. Yes. So here we have it. So we can head on to Boomplay. You will see the song on Boomplay. Yeah, can you see it? Now we have the song on Boomplay. You can see this. Yes, this is awake. That means it's already now our local. What even now? It's already now our phone storage. You can even see this, meaning it is saved in our local storage. Okay. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Yes, you know your friends that would love to save their songs on their phone so that don't forget to share to them. Yeah. Enjoy the song. Thank you. Bye.